For many women, the relationship that they have to their period is one that is fraught. It's riddled with losing days to pain, to discomfort, embarrassment of getting period on your pants. For so many of us, our period is our foe. It is not our friend. But I'm here to tell you that your period is a vital sign. It is one of the best diagnostics that we can have to understand what is going on inside our bodies. It is our friend. And today I want to present to you a preview of the Fix Your Period workshop where you will understand how to eliminate period pain, the root of period pain, and what you can do to step into a harmonious cycle. Because here's the thing, your period is a good thing. It's a wonderful thing. And whether you are trying to get pregnant or whether you are just in your prep journey, understanding your period and bringing harmony back to your monthly cycle will not only make you feel better day to day, but will help support amazing fertility going forward. And so I hope that you enjoyed this preview. If you want to watch the full video, subscribe to the Fertility Formula Substack. I'll put the link in the description and you can watch the whole 50-minute workshop. But until then, enjoy this preview. Prostaglandins that you have, the more pain that you are going to experience. What causes them to go up? Because there are ways to modulate how many prostaglandins you have, because when the bad ones go down, the good ones go up. So estrogen dominance. If you have too much estrogen relative to progesterone, that is going to cause you so much grief because it is about the dance between the two of them. When people talk about progesterone, they are also talking about estrogen. And if someone is talking about estrogen, they're also talking about progesterone because it is about what they are doing in relation to one another. And if they aren't talking about them in relation to one another, you are not getting a complete picture. If you have estrogen dominance, it also likely means that your progesterone is being beaten down and it cannot fight back. It can't be there to create the ideal partnership with itself and estrogen. And that creates a dominance. We don't like that. We need balance, harmony. And what we will do to help things like estrogen is a lot of what we would do to help lower estrogen and estrogen dominance. Also, poor liver detox. That speaks to a dominance of hormones in the body because the liver is where we make hormones, it's where we balance hormones, it's where we remove any excess hormones that our body is not using, like waste products. It is also how we remove them. And if your liver is poor at doing that elimination process, then you are going to start to have dominance because excesses are floating around in the body that were meant to leave long ago as waste. And so if you have poor liver detox, you will also see that show up in like your skin. You'll also get a lot of hormonal skin things that go on at the same time. In addition to having period pain. Unfair, truly. Blood sugar imbalances. I mean, I love that blood sugar starts with a B and my name starts with a B because we will be together forever. When I talk about anything that has to do with fertility, I'm always talking about blood sugar. It's because blood sugar is systemic. When you have a blood sugar imbalance, when you spike your blood sugar and dip it, when you let your blood sugar go too low too much because you don't eat enough, that is going to cause systemic inflammation in the body. It is going to cause systemic cortisol elevation in the body, which leads to inflammation. Part of the reason that I have gotten so good at fertility is because I'm so good at blood sugar. Because when you help someone with their blood sugar, you almost instantly help them ovulate better, have better hormone function, have less inflammation in the body. And it feels like magic, but it's not. But when you have blood sugar imbalances consistently based on what and how you eat, or it could be what or how you eat, this is going to cause you period pain. Just is. It's also going to affect other things to do with your fertility, but we're here to talk about periods today. Also, high cortisol, the stress hormone. This is where progesterone gets beaten down. Lifestyle is where estrogen levels go up, but if your lifestyle also means that you are stressing the body out, blood sugar imbalances stress the body out, but also like external stress, you are not giving your progesterone function what it needs to fight back, to raise itself up, to, pick itself up by its britches, as the old folks say. And so when you are living in a high stress body, and stress can come from so many different places, this is going to rob you of good progesterone function. When you use a lot of fragrance, when you eat a lot of processed food, when you just don't have a lot of like resolve around your environment and like the things you like have around you, you breathe, you rub on your skin, then your estrogen goes up. And you see how those two things can create a problem when it comes to your hormonal function, your fertility, but also every month, your period pain.